Yeah. Well, there are academic eugenicists working in bioethics who believe that we should optimize the human race and we should try to select basically embryos with better genes. We should select better children who have, socially valued genetic profiles. So eugenics is actually quite far-reaching. I think a lot of people are eugenicists, so it certainly didn't die with the Nazi regime, but I think this is just a modern version of a very Nazi way of thinking about human value because eugenicists still want to create a superior stock of humans. But instead of using concentration camps and gas chambers, they want to use reproductive technologies like IVF and prenatal screening and basically different kinds of technologies to just eliminate disability in utero or, prior to conception. So they're using a different technique, but the goal is to select certain genetic profiles and ensure that only those profiles exist within the human race. The goal is still to eliminate disability.
Yeah, and it's kind of interesting how the technical vocabulary sort of is being utilized to decide which lives are worth sort of fostering and which are marked as disposable. And the usage of crisis discourse within eugenic reasoning is also pretty telling. Would you like to comment on that?
Yeah, so I guess eugenicists think that the crisis is that too many genetically defective people are being born and allowed to survive. So the crisis is really that the human gene pool is being polluted. Or they might think, the crisis is that not a well, I guess there are a few different things, but one of the main crises that they envision is the pollution of the human gene pool, and they want to maintain a kind of genetic purity. But disabled activists think the real crisis is eugenics. Eugenics is the crisis. The wide, the attempt, the widespread popular idea that we should try to genetically engineer ideal humans is the crisis. Is the crisis. So that's actually the thing that needs to be addressed, and it should be addressed by valuing and protecting disability, essentially.